Hello friends, welcome to our quantitative class again. This is sample G, right? We're still treating the 2022 past question, alright? Sample G. So look at the shape we have here. We have a shape, alright, containing 4 different pots, alright, like we've been having, alright? So we need to study this shape very well. We could see that we have something like a triangle here, and there is a line coming out of it to this point. Alright, this is telling us that we may need to operate these 3 guys to get this one coming out of it. So whichever way, this 30 is coming out of 3, 5, and 2. This 24 is coming out of 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, and 4. And this 0 is coming out of 0, 4, and 6. So let's look at the first one. Let's say, how can we combine 3, 5, and 2 to have 30? Okay. Are we going to do subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division? Are we going to combine any of those operations? Let's study it carefully. Alright. Okay. So 30, what can we do? We have 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. And 15, yes, 15 times 2 is 30. Or we could even do 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 5 is 30. So this is just a simple multiplication. Let's confirm with the other sample. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4, 24, correct. 0 times 4 is 4. Is 0 rather. Excuse me. 0 times 4 is 0. And 0 times 6 is 0. Okay, so we just multiply the 3 and we have an answer. So let's analyze with the first one. So here we have 3 times 5 times 2 equals 30. Alright, so simple multiplication. Alright, and we have our answer. So to get the component, we'll divide this by the 2 that would be given. So if we're looking for 3, we divide 30 by 5 times 2. Alright, or we divide 30 by 5 and then divide it by 2. Okay, so 30 divided by 5, and the answer divided by 2 will give us 3. Okay, so 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Alright, so you could put this in brackets, still correct. Okay, so that's for the first one. The second one, so if we're looking for 5, so we divide 30 again. 30 divided by 3 divided by 2. Okay, and that will give us 5. 30 divided by 3 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then for us to get our 2, 30 divided by 3, then we divide the answer by 5. We have 2. Okay, like I said, right, if you don't want to split the division, you could multiply the 2 components. Do 5 times 2, 10, then 30 divided by 10, 3. Okay, let me write another way we could do that here. So instead of this, we could do 30 divided by 5 times 2, and that will give us 3. We could also do 30 divided by 3 times 2. 3 times 2, that will give us 5. And 30 divided by 3 times 5, that will give us 2. Okay, but under exam condition, you don't need to actually write much because this is an objective question. All right, so I think this method is better. So once you have the final answer, just divide it in bits, alright? That will be faster for you, okay? Just do 30 divided, you're looking for 3, 30 divided by 5, your answer is 6, 6 divided by 2, that's 3, 30 divided by 3, the answer is 10, 10 divided by 5, 2, alright? So splitting it like this will make it easier and faster for you. Alright, so let's go and attack our questions. Alright, number 21, we have the one on top here missing. That's in place of 5. Okay, so how did we get 5? So we did 30 divided by 3 divided by 2. Okay, so that means we're going to first divide 120 by 5. Then whatever we get, we divide it by 8. Okay, any division method that is easier for you is what you should go with. Okay, but for me, I like my short division this way. Okay, so 5 goes here 1, 5 in 12 is 2, remainder 2. Okay, 5 in 20 is 4. So 120 divided by 5 is 24. Then I do 24 divided by 8. So 24 divided by 8, 24 divided by 8 for my multiplication fact, I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. So the answer to number 21 is 3. Okay. So what did we do? We did 120 divided by 5 divided by 8. Alright, and that gave us 3. Okay. So here we have the spot missing. What's in that place in our analysis? That's 2. How did we get 2? We did 30 divided by 3 divided by 5. So 30 divided by this, then the answer divided by this. Alright, so we're going to do 60 divided by 3 divided by 4. Alright, so let's take it in bits. Let's take this first. 60 divided by 3, the answer will be 3 in 6 is 2, and 3 in 0 is 0. That's 20. Okay, then we do 20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Why? Because 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our answer to number 22, 5. Okay, then the last one, we're looking for the final result. Okay, so what do we have there? 30. So how did we get that? We multiply the 3 components. So we're going to do 8 times 5 times 6. 8 times 5 times 6. From our multiplication fact, 8 times 5 is 40. Then 40 times 6. Okay, so 40 times 6. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 4 is 24. So our answer is 240. Okay. Alright, with this one that has the component, you can always check. Okay, if the answer, since the answer is 5, you can check by doing 3 times 4, 12, 12 times 5, 60, correct. Okay, you say the answer is 3 here. So let's check. 5 times 8, 40, 40 times 3, 120. Okay. Alright, so that is it. Always feel free to go over the video again if you need to clarify some things, alright? And remember to subscribe to the channel. God bless you. Thank you.